So, my dear student, come to lecture. This is your lecture 6 chemistry. Lecture 6 chemistry. In this lecture, we will see how acid reacts with metallic oxide. Clear? How acids react with metallic oxide. This is our topic. So acid react with metallic oxides to form their respective salt and water. Clear? So you can remember in this way, acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. For example, see uh, how to write reaction. Acid plus metal oxide. Here you see acid plus metal oxide, acid plus metal oxide gives salt and water. How to write the reaction now? See how reaction can be written. Acid. Now let us suppose we are taking HCl and metal oxide, sodium oxide. Acid we are taking HCl and metal oxide, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide. See, sodium valency is 1. Oxide's valency is 2. So on crossover, it will be Na2O. This is metal. Sodium is metal. So it is metallic oxide. It will give salt and water. So how to write the reaction? See, first you have to prepare water. सबसे पहले वाटर निकालिए. तो वाटर के लिए क्या चाहिए? वाटर हो गया H2O. बट यहाँ पर कितना H था? एक ही. हम लोगों को चाहिए कितना? वी नीड 2. सो पुट हेयर 2H और ये O, ये रिएक्ट कर गया. इट विल फॉर्म H2O. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्ट? अब क्या बचा वो देखिए. यहाँ से बचा Na और यहाँ से Cl. तो Na का वैलेंसी होता है 1 एंड Cl का होता है -1. क्लोराइड रेडिकल. Both will be cancelled out. What will be the formula? NaCl. Now it's time to balance. ठीक है, देखिए यहाँ पर Na 2 था, Cl 2 था, तो यहाँ पर 2 कर दिए. This is the balanced chemical equation. Means you have to remember this one. Acid when react with metal oxide, it forms salt and water. First up water formation कीजिए. ठीक है. Another example, see, another example we are taking copper oxide plus HCl. See, HCl when react with copper oxide, copper 2 oxide. Copper 2 oxide means valency of copper is 2, oxide is 2 minus. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. So copper 2 oxide formula is CuO. How it will form product? See, this is acid and this is metal oxide. Copper is metal, so it is metal oxide. Obviously it will form salt and water. So first form water. First write water, H2O. Now see how many hydrogen we need? 2. This side we are having 1, so put here 2. So this 2H and this oxygen, it reacted. These two react to form water molecule. Now it's time to form salt. What salt will be formed? Copper, whose valency is 2. And chloride's valency now we have seen it is 1. So on crossover it will be CuCl2. Now once see reaction is balanced or not. See, copper 1, this side 1, left hand side also 1. Chlorine 2, chlorine is 2. Hydrogen 2 atom, hydrogen 2 atom, oxygen 1 atom. Balanced chemical equation. Clear? Another example we can take. See, HNO3. Acid we are taking HNO3. This is called nitric acid. Nitric acid when react with lead oxide, see, Pb, valency of lead is 2 and oxide, please remember it is -2. In previous lecture we have seen. So it will be cancelled out. PbO is a metallic oxide. What will be the product? Clear? Now we know when acid react with metal, see, you have to remember this one only. Acid when react with metal oxide, it will form salt and water. So first form water. Water, see, H2O. ओनली वन एच वॉज देयर, एक ही एच था रिएक्टेंट साइड में, आप प्रोडक्ट में 2 किए हैं, सो मेक इट 2, सो 2H और ये O ये रिएक्ट कर गया, ठीक है। तो अब सॉल्ट जो बचेगा वो इन दोनों से बनेगा, ये रेडिकल है NO3 जिसका वैलेंसी होता है -1 और PB इसका वैलेंसी होता है 2, ये दोनों रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट बनाएगा। तो PB का वैलेंसी हो गया 2 और NO3 का हो गया -1 और 1 यू कैन राइट, while writing the formula no need to write plus or -1, on crossing it over it will be PB, clear, and NO3 this whole radical will be 2, so PbNO3 whole 2, clear. Now see this reaction is balanced, left hand side there is 2 hydrogen, right hand side 2 hydrogen, NO3 whole radical you see 1 NO3 2 NO3C here NO3 also 2, this side NO3 2 PB1, so it is a balanced chemical equation. In this way reaction can be written, balanced chemical equation can be written. So see once again, reaction of metallic oxide with acid. Now we have seen acid react with metallic oxide to form salt and water, respective salt and water. So acid plus metal oxide, salt and water, clear. Now how to write the reaction? Sodium oxide Na2O plus HCl will give H2O. See first H2, 2H and O, this will form H2. What is left now? 2Na and 2Cl, 2NaCl. Another reaction, copper oxide CuO plus 2HCl, clear. So first form water, see 2H and O, this will form water. Now what is left? Copper and Cl. Valency of copper is 2, Cl is 1. On crossing it will be CuCl2. Similarly, lead oxide when react with nitric acid it form lead nitrate plus water in liquid state, clear. Now from this reaction one conclusion can be drawn that since metallic oxides are reacting with acid it means these are bases, clear. A base only can react with acid. So from this reaction we can draw the conclusion, since metallic oxide react with acid forming salt and water, therefore metallic oxides are basic in nature. So please remember all metallic oxides are basic.